Good morning, everyone. My name is Lupnik. I'm excited to present my comprehensive strategy for migrating PanPal's data storage to the cloud. This move is not just a step towards modernization, it's a leap towards securing our future in financial service sector. So let's start by addressing a elephant in the room. Our current on-premises storage based on 1990s IBM mainframes is on the brink of being overwhelmed. So this limitation is not only hinders our scalability, but also poses a significant risk to data security and service reliability. So first of all, I want to talk what is cloud computing. So it refers to services available over internet such as storage, database, softwares, and networking. So our plan is to move the data to cloud. You may have a question, why cloud? The cloud offers unparalleled scalability, enhanced security, cost effectiveness over this longer time. It's just a storage solution, it's a strategic asset that can drive Panpal's innovation and growth. And we can see from the numbers, right? Investment in the cloud has increased dramatically in the last 1 decade, from 24 billion to 156 billion. That's a great rise. And we can also see the global market could reach 1 trillion. And over more than 90% of organizations are using the cloud at the moment. So when choosing a cloud, we got a different cloud computing services: LAS, PES, SAS, FAS. And moreover, we also have to choose a cloud deployment model, right? If you want to use the hybrid, community, public, private, there are different models, right? So for our plan, we are using a hybrid cloud deployment model, combining on-premises storage with the cloud solution. This approach is ideal for balancing security and accessibility. We'll be using SaaS, software as services, for our cloud computing needs, ensuring sensitive information remains on-premises while leveraging the cloud for less sensitive tasks. So our migrating timeline is step by step. In the first month, we're gonna do a preparation and assessments of all the data, what we're gonna move, what we're gonna leave on premises. Next, in the month second and third, we're gonna rehost non-critical workloads. In month four and fifth, we're gonna start moving a critical data to a cloud, right? On a month six, we're gonna do some testing and move other data which may left, which may need it to be. And in month seventh, we're gonna do a training of all the employees and gonna see how the transition went, and if there's any problems going on, we can solve that in month of seven. That will be June 2024. So let's calculate the numbers. So yes, there is upfront cost, that is about 3 million, right? But the ROI is compelling, right? By transitioning to a cloud storage, we anticipate significant cost savings in the long run, not to mention avoidance of potential losses from data breaches or services outages. Our move to cloud isn't just good for PenPal, like it's good for society. Improved services reliability means happier customers, more energy efficiency for cloud data centers, right? And this is also gonna create, as a cloud gonna create a zero carbon base, right? It's reducing a carbon base by 84%. That will be a great good for our environment. And when we are talking about all the pros of this cloud, right, there are some cons too, right, which are like risk of downtime, right? When we are moving a data, there will be a risk of downtime, and the upfront cost, that is also a con. We need a lot of money upfront, and the vendor lock-in. There will be a contract placed that when you're gonna go with the service provider, and there's always a vulnerability to attack in there. And in the pros, there is a scalability, security, long-term savings, automation, software updates. So when we are coming, our company is in Canada, US, Chile, right? Every country has different laws placed in, right? Canada has PIPEDA, which is responsible to ensure personal data and use and it is used properly, right? USA doesn't have any federal law, but they have a statewide rules. In Chile, they don't have any bigger laws against the data usage, but we're gonna maintain our high standards there also, right? In the conclusion, I want to say, cloud migration is an essential step for Panpal. It ensures our resilience, future proofs our services, position us as a forward thinking player in financial sector. So thank you for your time, and we are now open to any questions you might have.